These dramatic pictures show how a tree crashed onto a car after strong winds hit the northeast on Monday. The region was battered by gales of up to 60 miles per hour from the early hours, and the Met Office issued a yellow weather warning, urging people to take care. Ryan Kerr was walking his dog Leo on the town moor in Newcastle when a tree fell onto the front of his car. The black Renault Megane was parked on Forsyth Road in Jesmond at around 11:30 a.m. when the incident happened. A tree fell on top of Ryan Kerr's car in Jesmond. Ryan, 29, a doctor, said, "I went to walk my dog, and I was only away for about 20 minutes. When I got back, I saw this tree on top of my car. A couple of minutes earlier, and it could have landed on top of me." He said he had to clear away some branches with his hands and reverse the vehicle out to drive back home. "Thankfully, the damage was not that bad," he added. "There were largely scratches to the bonnet and windscreen. Fortunately, no one was hurt." A tree fell on top of Ryan Kerr's car in Jesmond. Widespread gales also caused disruption in other parts of the country. Winds of up to 70 miles per hour disrupted traffic across Scotland. The Dornage Bridge and the Tay Road Bridge were closed to high-sided vehicles, and high wind warnings were in place on the Skye, Clackmannanshire, and Erskine bridges. A number of ferries were also cancelled there.